Welcome to our complete guide on how to download UFC 5 on PC. In this video, we'll explore its features and what sets it apart from other fighting games. Before we dive into the download process, let's go over the system requirements to ensure your PC can handle UFC 5 smoothly. You can purchase UFC 5 legally from a few major platforms. The most popular choice is Steam, but we'll also look at alternatives. Let's run through a step-by-step guide on downloading UFC 5 from Steam. It's simple and straightforward. If you prefer using other platforms, here's how you can download UFC 5 from the Epic Games Store in Origin. Once your download is complete, let's move on to the installation process. This is where the excitement begins. Sometimes downloads don't go as planned. We'll address some common issues and how to troubleshoot them. Keeping UFC 5 updated is crucial for the best experience. Here's how you can check for updates and install them. Now, let's share some tips on optimizing your game performance so you can enjoy UFC 5 without a hitch. That's it for our guide on downloading UFC 5 on PC. We hope this helps you get into the action seamlessly. Enjoy the fight.